stress distribution at base of abutment. They have given diagram here. You have to see concentratedly this diagram because on studying this distribution we could design an abutment. But b by 6 is equal to 2 by 6, that comes to 0.33 meter. Since E eccentricity is lesser than b by 6, the stresses are compressive at both heel and toe. Maximum and minimum stresses is equal to W by B of 1 plus or minus 6 eccentricity by base. On adding the values, 147.5, that's nothing but W of total vertical forces, and base is nothing but 2. 1 plus or minus this eccentricity value is 0.31 and 2 is nothing but base. On calculating all these values, we will get 73.5 whole of 1 plus or minus 0.93, where we will get plus as sigma A, that would be maximum, and minimum would be sigma B, is 144 and 7.6 kilonewton per meter square. The maximum stresses sigma A is less than safe bearing capacity of soil. Hence, the stresses are within permissible limits. Okay. Now let's check for safety against sliding. This is very important because whenever sliding happens, that causes to huge losses, property losses, human losses, many things. So we have to check for that too. Total vertical forces W is equal to 147.5 kilonewton, and moment to W comes to 0.5 into 147.5, that's is equal to 73.75 kilonewton, where the factor of safety is greater than whatever they have mentioned. So it is clear that we have designed a good one. Types of wing walls. There are two types of wing walls depending on the type of embankment and approaches to the bridge. Okay, there are two types of wing walls. They are saying as one is type of embankment and approaches to the bridge. The main function of wing wall is to retain earth fill without resisting any load from the superstructure. It should resist everything. Okay. A. Return or box type wing wall. Second one is splayed type wing wall. Okay, let's see what is meant by box type wing wall. Firstly, when the approaches to the bridge are in cutting or small embankments, return type wing wall is generally provided. The length of the return type wing wall depends upon the slope of the embankment and the side slopes of the streams, elevation and plan of a typical return type wing wall. Next, B. Splayed type wing wall. In the case of bridges, the heavy approaches embankments, it became necessary to provide splayed type wing wall as shown. The thickness of the splayed type wing wall is maximum at the junction of the abutment and gradually reduces to minimum 300 to 500 mm towards the bottom of the embankment. The splayed wing wall prevents the flow of soil towards windway under the bridge. Okay. Wing walls are designed as resisting walls similar to those abutments. Okay. We have seen the above about the section 17 means figure 17.10. This is return type wing wall. This is how it looks like, and down we could see the top view, and top is an elevation. In elevation we could see the abutment at the high flood level, and they have seen even a road level. If you see in a top view as a sectional plan, you could see the earth fill and return type wing wall. Approaches. The wing wall dimensions are generally as fixed as follows. Its thickness at the top is 0.5 meter, and bottom it would reach like 0.4 to 0.45 to 0.5. The height of the wing wall. Next, face better is 1 in 12, and back better is 1 in 6. Okay. Now let's see the approaches. Approaches are usually provided at both ends of the bridge. Approaches are nothing of bridge to earth. As per Indian standards, specifications that approaches should have a minimum straight length of 15 meter on either side of the bridge. It should have 15 meter inward to earth side minimum. In the case of heavy embankments, the slope should be gradual so that the visibility of the vehicles approaching from the opposite side is not affected. It's clear. Preferably, the approaches should be in line with the longitudinal center line of the bridge, and in no case they should be curved at the entrance and exit of the bridge structure. The below diagram shows a typical approach to a major bridge on a national highway. Okay, this is clear. That's the road level. This is a parapet and girder, and this is how it looks from the side. This is the apartment. This is a straight type wing wall. Now this gives comes under 45 degree. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding the section of abutments and PS, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.